In this video, I'll show you how you can do a demo account on TradingView. Now head over to tradingview.com, go to products and open up the supercharts. Once you're in here, if you want to make a demo account, you want to come down where it says trading panel, and you can drag this one to open it. Click on trading panel, and inside of trading panel, you want to select paper trading. Click on paper trading and click connect, and now you will have an account with 100,000 fake money that you can use as your demo account. So from in here, you can simply select what you want to trade. Let's say you want to do Bitcoin, select Bitcoin, and you will now be able to trade Bitcoin with the demo account. So you can right click, and what you can do in here is you can see the charts, the settings, all of this stuff. And if you want to buy or sell, you can do that by pressing up here. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, it's really simple to make the demo account, and I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.